Say grape. Is that a yummy grape? Yeah, grape.
What are you eating, Edward?
You said grape. Say, hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Edward, say, hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Do you want to go on a walk?
I don't.
Walk.
Hey, Edward.
He's going for a walk, John.
Yeah.
You asked the wrong question.
Well, I wanted to just hear him say it. Hey, Edward. Did we
Walking. Ooh,
play?
excuse the mess.
Did we play in the pool yesterday?
Did we go swimming today? Swimming. Did you shoot the water gun? Water. Come here, Edward. Come here. Oh, did you find the sprayer? Come see. Spray, that's right. Does it shoot like a gun? Oh, the things boys learn. Hey, Edward. Say hi, Grandma. He's making the grape stem dance on the table. Edward, come here. No more grapes right now. Grapes. Yes, I know you want grapes. Come here. Num 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 num.